It look dark. Don't it?
Yeah.
Turn the light on. Yeah. Oh well. Oh, because the foyer light probably not on. A little better. Tonight I'm on the night.
Yeah. Good evening, kings and queens.
Come on in. Good night, good night, good evening. Good evening, good evening. We're back, we're back.
Happy Monday.
Back. Happy Monday. Good night, Andrea. Oh God, I can't see from here. So. Margaret Williams, I think. Yes, good night. How y'all doing? Happy Monday night to you guys. We're back with part 2. We're back with part 2 tonight. Hopefully you guys have watched part 1 of things that we've learned and observed since we've been on social media for 4 years now. I don't know what happened with Facebook app the night we came on. I think people were reporting the live. I don't understand it. You know, but hey, we're not going to be shut down from saying what we have to say.
Absolutely not.
Yeah, like we said, not everybody have to agree with us, but I think it's really childish in trying to report our lives when we're not attacking anybody. We're just giving our opinion based on what we have seen on social media. Big up on yourself, but them can't stop it because...
All right,
they're gonna come back.
And say they're ready for part 2. All right, all right.
I mean, my fault when Master Baker come out. Me lock her up in the closet upstairs tonight, but me not think that can stop her from coming out. Cause no, me can't control her. You understand? So just hope and pray she stay in the closet. What me lock her into? Yeah, and my fault if she show up, she will kick off the door. Me lock the room door, me lock the closet door. But Master Baker, bad girl, she will kick that off and come down here.
Or pick the lock.
Yeah.
Or pick the lock. Yeah.
So, now blame me if she show up. But we come with part 2 tonight. And we're also going to give away some credits. Yeah, later on, before we leave. Yes?
Yep.
We weren't able to make it on for our praise and worship on Sunday. You know, but hopefully this coming Sunday, we'll be able to make it on for our person.
Yeah.
Hopefully. Yes,
we'll do our best.
We'll do our best.
We always try.
Yeah, we always try. And we're very busy. I know that we have to take time out to give praises to God, but it doesn't mean if we're not come on and do praise and worship, we're not praising our God. We praise Him every day. There's no
every day
specific day. You understand? Nope. We give Him thanks and praise each and every day because He's worthy each and every day. Yes?
He is.
With that being said, let me big up some people before we get into it. Let me make the disclaimer again. This is Vanilla and I. Things that we have observed.
Things that the two of us have observed.
Observed on social media.
Yes.
Or experienced things we've learned from the things that we've seen on social media, right?
Yeah.
Not, it's not everybody else's observation, obviously, and that's okay. Feel free to comment. Yes.
Just keep it.
Bam, bam, big up yourself, big up yourself.
Just be nice.
Just keep it,
respectful.
Respectful. That's it. Yeah. You are never, we don't shut down nobody from giving their opinions over here as long as you keep it classy, yeah? And know how to express yourself, yeah? We would like to take the opportunity to send a huge shout out to Lady V. Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, Lady V.
Big up yourself.
L to the A to the D.
To the Y, to the V.
To the V.
Yes, happy birthday. Wishing you many more happy and healthy birthdays.
Hope you enjoyed your day. Hope you're enjoying your evening.
You're having a fantastic birthday.
Cheers. Have a drink.
Yeah, my name bring nothing hardcore tonight.
I didn't bring no drink at all.
Just naked as it says. Naked. What flavor is this? Mango. All right, that's all I have tonight. But cheers to you. All right. Yes, Merlene, Isaac, big up yourself. Wagwan, wagwan. And if they report the live tonight, they're still not gonna stop us. Because what we'll do a video and post it. Because we will not be shut down. Everybody has a platform and they're able to speak on whatever it is that they feel like speaking on. And I don't believe that, you know, it's fair that because we might be saying something that someone doesn't like, they think they should report our channel. But we know how to fight that back. Believe me, we know how to fight it back. Because here we are tonight. Yes, we just kind of, you know, it got late. We could have come back on, but it got late by the time we got it up and running. Yeah? But we won't let nobody stop us because we're not out here making up any stories on anyone. We're speaking on things that we have seen. Yes? Maybe our interpretation is not everybody else's interpretation, and that is fine. That is quite fine. Big up everyone that share the live, all the platform holders that share the live. Big up Kingston 13, Stacy Campbell, Ed Teacher K.
Yes.
Who shared that live. And anybody else. I don't want to call names and forget anybody. Those are the ones that came, you know, I remember off the top of my head. Big up yourselves. Yes? All right, we're going to get into it.
Canada in the house.
Canada is in the house. Big up yourself, Canada.
Good evening.
Yes, good evening. Good evening to each and every one of you. Welcome. If it's your first time watching us, we're happy to have you here.
Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for joining us. I am Chocolate.
And I am Vanilla.
And we are BFFs. And we've been vlogging now for 4 years. A little bit under 4 years because we started out with videos first.
We did.
Yes.
We did start out with videos.
Yeah, we started out with videos first with games and stuff like that. So a little bit under 4 years of us
doing live.
Yes. And if you're new to our platform, we love to entertain. We love to give back. We love to support.
We love to laugh.
We love to make people laugh. Yes. So
thank you, Natalie. Thank you. She said she shared. Thank you.
Thank you, Natalie, for sharing. Thank you, Yvette Sharp. Big
Sandra
up yourself.
Clark.
Big up yourself, Dina. Big up yourself, Dina.
Andy.
Yes. We don't trouble. We don't come out here and trouble anyone. But when people come at us, sometimes when we feel like it, we'll come and clap back. And we always try to do it in a intelligent way, or funny way, you know?
Yeah. A lot of times we'll make comments.
Yeah. And Vanilla will cuss up some bad word, but
once in a while.
Yes. But to Vanilla, they don't mean anything, you understand? To her, it's just, you know, it don't have the same effect on
as it would on her.
Yes.
Nope.
You know, it's funny when Vanilla cuss up the bad word them and beside people love to hear her cuss them up. Yes, with our accent and all. We don't do it with no malicious intention. We just do it to make our supporters laugh. Yes.
It's all in the name of fun.
It's all in the name of fun, right?
Yeah.
And tonight is the same Master Baker might inject ourselves, and it's all about putting a smile on our supporters' faces. Yes.
That's right.
All right. You ready to get into it?
I am.
Yeah. We're gonna be also talking about...
It's a two-part.
It's a two-part tonight. We're going to incorporate in one. We're also going to talk about what we've learned from the cake industry on social media. We're going to get right into it. Yes?
Yes.
Yes. We're going to get into the cake industry tonight. Anicia, big up yourself. Big up yourself. All right, which one would I know? All right, so you want to go first?
You go first. I went first last time. You go first.
Well, you know, say people else think me a chat back and I need to make you chat more.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Some people will badmind you for the things you do because they can't. For example, people will say you going somewhere is no big deal, or because they can't go there, or you having a house is no big deal because they don't.
And yet they don't have one.
Right.
That is true. I've witnessed that on social media, like, you know, I'm not going to call inject her name, but I don't know who me I talk about, but build a nice, beautiful house. You could hear all the bashing around that. It's no big deal. It up on the gully side, it this, it that, and yet still the people who are bashing her don't have a house, and they said house is not a big deal. So why don't you have one if it's not a big deal? You understand? People travel and go places. Oh, that's no big deal to go there, but yet you can't go there. Why not just leave it alone and shut your mouth if you not have nothing good for say? Yes.
Then say when you can't do something or don't have something, then knock it.
Not everybody, but you know, you have people that knock it. You know what I'm saying? And I want to advise my queens on here tonight. You know, when you're around people, and for example, you're going somewhere, it don't matter, you know, if them class it, oh, you know, have fun on your little vacation. Right then and there, that's bad mind. Because no vacation is little vacation or big vacation. You're doing what you want to do with your time.
And what my question is, what makes it a little vacation?
Yeah, what makes it a little vacation?
That's my question.
That's undercover bad mind. It's undercover bad mind.
Yeah.
Yeah? So, if they can't just say to you, have fun on your vacation, have a good time.
Enjoy yourself.
Enjoy yourself. You understand? You're not needing a backhanded, you know, well wishes.
No.
Yeah. No vacation, no liquor are big. People do what they can afford. And even if you can't afford to go way over yonder, you still have a vacation. So to you, that's your vacation. What make it little and what make it big to someone else.
Right.
You understand? Right. Those are the things that we've observed on social media. Yes. Big up yourself, Sandra Blake. Big up yourself, Gloria Douglas. Big up yourself. Even if you want to stay in your house and not do nothing and just chill because you work so hard and that's what you want to do. Maybe you can go somewhere, but you just don't want to do that.
Maybe you choose not to.
You understand? There are birthdays that my family want to have a birthday party for me, and I just don't want a party. I just want to do what I want to do. You know? Does that mean some is less of a person to come and have a big extravagant party? I just don't want that. Right. You know? And this year I feel the same. I just don't want a party. You know what I'm saying? Yes. People do the things, but they want it up. My master baker in the kitchen burning up the cake while you're on social media. One of her remind me of Master Baker. Make we take time call her name. Because me hear somebody. She coming out. Me hear her a bang up there. All right. People underestimate that vanilla could rip up the bad word them. Yes, because them always attack, say me overpower vanilla, and me always a push vanilla to be more vocal, but I'm just the more outspoken one. It don't mean say vanilla can't get
it don't mean say I can't talk and I can't rip two bad words.
Or she can't defend herself.
And I can't defend myself. Yeah. We know the words them and we know how to put them together.
Yeah, vanilla is just not as vocal as I am. And it's why we can't be the same person. No. I don't want a best friend who's exactly like me.
And vice versa.
You know what I'm saying? No. I don't. She's our own person. I'm my own person.
Yep.
Yes. So.
Hey, Janet Joseph.
Hi, Janet.
Annette Clark.
Annette Clark, big up yourself. Yes. What's the other
All right.
one?
Followers will try to redirect your conversation into a negative direction if you're not smart.
True.
They will try and change. You might be on one subject and your eye catches that comment. and it can go left if you don't ignore it.
Yes. And I believe that people also set up people to come in their comment to guide them into the direction that they originally wanted to go from get-go. But they have somebody come in and comment to spark it up. Yeah? Yes. To actually mention, you know, something
and they're looking out for that comment.
Yeah, they're looking out for that comment.
Yeah, I feel that way too. Yeah.
That's what I've observed. Yes. Opposite chat. Big up yourself, Bam Bam. Big up yourself.
Hey, Bam Bam.
Vicky May, what's up? Marsha Turner, big up yourself. We soon get into the meat of the thing. You understand? We getting there.
We're getting there. Be patient. Be patient.
We're going to get into it.
Some juicy one at home. We had to take time, get there, you know.
Watching from St. Kitts. Big up yourself. Kitts. Love us both. Love you too. And thank you.
We're going to just
joining us. For joining us. Yes. You know what I'm saying? Yes. Big up yourself, Janet Joseph. All right. What the next one? One woman. I've learned on social media that one woman, one dege woman can have all of social media going crazy just by being herself and helping others. One
woman can make social media go so much.
One woman will have social media going crazy. Yes, people in other countries, yeah, go crazy. Yes, we've learned that.
Yep. We've learned to laugh about what goes on within social media.
We do that a lot.
We do that a lot.
A lot. Yes, we've learned to laugh.
Yep.
Yeah, big time. Best up Stacy Campbell, big up yourself.
Big up Stacy.
Somebody big up Stacy, big up Stacy. Andy, big up yourself.
Andy.
Big up yourself. That's Auntie Donna of them crazy.
Yep.
See,
we don't even have to say.
Well, she don't name the Auntie Donna, so.
No.
I that me tell her.
Right.
Is that for your birth certificate?
Right.
All right. Okay. Next. I've learned that there are a lot of false prophets on social media that can prophesy about other people's life, everyone else's lives. Yeah, prophesies about everyone else's lives except for their own. They can never see what's coming to them, but they can see what's coming to everybody else and what's going to happen in a people's lives. A lot of false prophets are out there. Yes, man, we hear them all the time.
Yes, it's amazing.
It's amazing. All right.
Okay, we've learned that you can wear your makeup for 5 days straight without washing your face. Let me repeat the one there. We've learned that you can wear your makeup for 5 days straight without washing your face.
Damn nasty. Oh, Master Baker.
Master Baker. Behave.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. Nasty. Oh, you get out the matter out of your eye.
Right.
Q-tip. Damn nasty. Okay. Go back upstairs. Go back upstairs. Okay, go ahead.
Your turn.
Which one?
This one.
People think that if they yell and scream profanity at the phone, then you should be afraid of them. The louder and the more profanity them cuss up, then think you should be afraid of them. Yes. Yes. You don't see that all the time?
Yes, man.
And which part to go up under and which part to suck and all of that. Then you should be nervous. You should tremble.
Shaking.
And shaking at your boots. Because them a call you drunk or all them stuff there. So you have to shake in your boot.
You have to be scared no matter where it is.
You have to be scared.
Even if you're in another country, you have to be scared.
Yeah, like Master Baker afraid of nobody.
Right.
We're from here, yeah? Okay.
Okay. We've learned that there are a lot of people on social media who suffer from mental health and obsession.
Mental health is real.
I think there's some people that really need to go seek psychiatric help, and could really use Bellevue.
Part.
Yes, very
so.
obsessed.
Yeah, live upon somebody, or live upon a couple people,
night
day
and day,
night and day,
eat, drink.
sleep. Them don't like the person, but yet still them watch every live.
They miss one,
Yeah.
They don't miss one.
They'll create 1,000 account just to see that person.
Yes.
That is obsession. Yes.
That's a sick obsession.
Sick obsession. Like my auntie wanna affair. No left and right. Master Baker one. Delusion. Yes, and they're very delusional. I've learned that supporters you'll have some, the underlining word, supporters that'll come on your page and show you love, and then you'll find them on other platforms dogging you out. Yes.
We've seen that.
Yes, true.
Yep.
That is true.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. We've learned that a lot of people on social media are obsessed with other women's underneath. The size, the texture.
Underneath your you have a P word. Say it, Vanilla.
Them pum-pum.
Yes.
I'm obsessed with a woman pum-pum. The size, the texture, the smell. If you've never met the person, how do you know up under them smell? That's what I'm walking on.
The width, the depth.
If
it bald, if it
hairy,
all of that.
If it big, if it's small,
yeah.
How many money that person there take? Oh, you know.
What do you think? Them obsessed with what?
A woman pum pum, other woman pum pum.
Yeah, obsessed. A pum pum obsessed.
Punani.
Yeah, punani.
Yeah.
Obsessed with punani.
Obsessed.
All right, Vanilla. Okay, which one?
This one.
I've learned that when people can't do what you do, they will knock it. It's true. It's true. Yes, they will knock it. Because I remember when we did our giveaway, people knocked our giveaway and said that we were giving away old stuff when actually we were giving away stuff from our store. But because them not have no store, because them can't give away iron stuff like we did, them knock it and call it all broken them stuff there. Remember?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. And the whole credits thing. Yeah, them knock it too.
Yeah.
Them knock it too. All right, we soon get to the baking industry. Go back up now, Master Baker. We soon get to the baking industry. Oh, you so enough. Ah, Jesus. Hold on, man. We're going to get there. We just come on. Go back upstairs. Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
People will accuse you of being mixed up as soon as you come out to defend yourself. But it's okay when they defend themselves. True.
Yeah. Hypocrisy. You know? Hypocrisy. When people are not in your shoes and it's not about them, then it's okay. Just brush it off. But when it's about them, they make a big deal out of it. You understand? So, that's the hypocrisy we see on social media. You know? Yeah. Because obviously they have feelings, but we do not have any feelings. Yeah, it's easy to say when it's not you or walking in those shoes. You understand? Some of the things that people say about you is truly hurtful, especially when you don't know these people. Yeah. Right. Of course, you have to be strong and no say, you know, but not all the time you get up and strong every day. Man, a Samson every damn day. There's a time when, you know, me personally, me that prefer to just see somebody and just box them and get it over with. I could fight it out, but me can't do that, so me have to come back here every once in a while. You understand? And defend myself. Yeah, me not do it every day. Me not have them the time there. And then the energy there. Because, I mean, Master Baker for beat, she don't have them the time there. Yeah. Yes.
Thank you, Stacy, for the stars.
Thank you, Stacy. Me no broke out no vanilla. Me no broke out nobody. But me broke out vanilla.
I always get the blame.
Me always get the blame, but that's
even when me come out myself.
Exactly, Bam Bam. I am human, and I know as a platform holder, you know what I'm talking about. You understand. Too. You understand, because they come at you too for speaking your truth. It's like they have platforms, and they're the only people that should have a voice to come and tear you apart.
And you understand? And you're not supposed to respond.
And if you just be a little angel all the time. Well, me not angel all the time. I'm not perfect. Me have blood that run through my body, just like everybody else. You understand?
And things irritate you.
Yeah, so when it irritates me, sometimes I just have to come on and let it out.
Yeah, a lot of times we don't respond. A lot.
Oh my God.
Times we don't
so
respond.
many times. Yeah. So many times. To cuss the bad one. I'm Chinese boss, and they're I wait by you. Your auntie's keeper, we know that, and we know that. We know so that. Much. Stacy, big up yourself. Yes, man.
Yes, Queen.
Oh my God, I can't bother. Anyway.
Hey, Chris, big up, big up.
Majesty.
Mama.
Oh God, I don't know. We don't get excited when we see bringing daddy across. Yes, Lord. You know, sir, now that Majesty on the live, one day I was reading a comment, and somebody put in the comments, only chocolate and vanilla alone one bringing. Yeah, upon some page me say, you know, something, and me I read one of the comments. I don't even remember what it's. So only me and you want bringing. We say yes. And so what?
And so what about it?
And what about it? And what about it?
So?
Our husband aren't tripping. Yes, big up yourself, my brother. Oh, Lord. This is my laugh out loud. Yes, big up yourself. Big up yourself. I want your cake, you know?
Yes, yes.
Now we taste that the cake that we don't talk about, you know? And you know, Some Majesty, somebody reach out to me and ask me how they can get your cake. Yeah. Now that I see you. Yesterday, actually, somebody reached out to me. Bless up
yourself, too.
Yes.
We love you.
We tell them, saying, no watch nothing. No. We got you. Yes, we watch you. I bring you daddy that.
Yes.
We got you.
We got you.
Yes, man. So here we go. Chris come in here and get with all
distracted.
Discombobulated when bringing, you know, Master Baker. Right pan. Go back up. I know your Majesty. I know your Majesty. I know bring it daddy. No, I want different Chris.
I know him.
I know him. Go back upstairs. I know him. Ingan. Yeah. Okay. I know Chris. I know your Majesty. I want different person.
I never see him in person.
Go on up, Master Baker. Go on up. Yeah, go on up. Yeah. Yeah. People get up and say, you're not to talk about children, but they'll be the first people, yes, to cuss out people, kids. For example, Urain, that's someone's child, right?
Yeah.
Isn't that someone's child?
Yep. Last time I checked.
The last time I checked.
Yeah.
He has a mother.
He does.
And them dog him and pull him through the mud.
Very badly. It's very sad.
It is. But them get up and them see him wanna talk. Oh, chocolate and vanilla cuss off the daughter.
But then in the next breath them say anybody over 18 is off limits. So if he's not off limits, how is your child who's an adult off limits?
Exactly.
I mean, we don't talk about anybody's kids.
We don't.
We're just saying.
Them lie.
Yeah.
Lie.
What's good for the goose is good for the gander.
Exactly. Them lie. Them drag people, kids through the mud. But when you talk about them big old grown adult.
Yeah.
Yes? They make a big deal and lay down and play a victim. Yes.
Yeah. All right. What we've learned when some Jamaicans who have become naturalized citizens of the United States act like they own the United States.
Yes.
They act very territorial, saying who can come here or what products can be sent to the United States.
Yes. Like you have one heap of people who like really go on like say them a border patrol.
I was just going to say the same
I'll talk about who for cake can come in America and who for cake shouldn't be in America. Like say, them related to Joe Biden, and can stop who and who for send them cake over here. Cake now selling at the people them country where them reside in. Yes, cake are sell but everybody want to expand them business. It Chinese them, they can sell them products at them country, but it sell over here too. It sell at Jamaica too. Everybody want to make more money. Why you going to limit yourself? If you're a business person, you should know that. Or not just make it like a citizenship fly up in on your head. When you not come to America and go like say on own over here. You no can tap nobody cake from come over here. Master Baker come in here now, Jesus Christ. We ain't getting our cake business yet, though. Master Baker show up. All right. All right.
All right, you want to save this one?
What?
This one. I'm going to this.
Yes, okay. Yeah. That's the last one.
Yep. Okay, your turn.
Master Baker get coming at this side. Yes.
It's a cake.
This is the cake industry and what we've learned
about the cake industry since we've been on social media.
If you're not in a cake industry already, don't go in there. You understand? Stay out of it. Chocolate and vanilla. Yes. Thank God me can't even bake.
Thank God me can't.
Illico box cake them right. You understand?
Me can bake the box cake them right, but me or do a recipe, but me have to read the instructions.
Me have to read it word for word for word for word
and
for word.
step by step.
Thank God me come from a family. When me married to Bernardo. No, when me have a child named Bernardo. I'm bringing. And my husband. And my step-papa bake.
Can be.
Lord of mercy.
It's a good thing.
Me don't know what me that do.
It's a good thing. Boy, me I tell you.
Master Baker come again. Yes. It means that I want somebody to run the cake industry. Nobody else not to bake. You understand me? Nobody think about baking. If anyone upon you think on about bake. Yeah?
Yes.
Bake.
You see a different side of social media,
I bet you're not post one cake where you bake. Bake if you think you're bad. Yeah. Nobody know for bake.
No.
Besides, this is one somebody. And if a war you want, you see it? You always, I wish you war. See war you know. Becoming no, there were no cake war. See the warrior. If a war no want make it start. We got good. Everything gonna pop off. And if a war no want make it start. Make it pop off. See real warrior now. Turn out there night fire. Yes.
Take it. Is that your one?
All this time you lie. Pam me auntie. Lie. Pam me poop and lie about them a war with your secret. Yes. Come with it. Take cover. Take cover.
No. You better can dart.
Why you take me auntie you put side of you for? I talk about say, I see him where then turn around and cuss. And she call me auntie name. You the cuss her too. Don't put her side of you. You remember when you that war with her? You remember? You You don't remember the cow down?
Right.
You don't remember the cow down?
You don't remember all your comments?
Forget you chocolate, a master baker now to backside. You don't remember the cow down? Huh? Eh? You don't remember the cow down? You remember the cow down? Do you remember the cow down? You remember the picture, them where you just put up and put the cake, them some bad cake will not take and go put in a Photoshop and make it look the
one
cake
type
them
of way.
And make it look a type of way. You remember?
Right.
I said I fear them there. When we know damn well, say the cake them where we eat will come from her. No look nothing like that. You know remember? You know remember?
You have amnesia?
You know remember? You know remember? You remember? You remember when you tell them blatantly, don't buy her cake. You know remember? You know remember?
That message?
You know remember? You know remember when you say, they don't name her cake because you know wash her face. You know remember? You know remember when you say me papa-in-law sneeze because I allergies and stuff like that, or people for name cake. You know remember?
Well, let go the machine. Take it.
We feel sorry for anyone I know.
I don't feel sorry.
Them your time will laugh.
Yes.
Foot up in her ear. Will
Laugh. Crack up.
Yes. You see what she did I feel? And she hold it like a G.
Yes.
Like a G.
Yes.
You like a G.
Yes.
And just I got you. And just I got you want to make fun of Zion. And remember when you make fun of Zion. You see Zion. You see what Zion do?
Zion work.
Make fun of Zion. Them kids them have to come in America.
Border Patrol.
She not have no, they not come do no food inspection. You post yourself a ticket them. Me I remind you in the midst of this. Me couldn't wait for reach a baking industry. For bring back memories. Because we have elephant memory.
We remember.
Remember everything. Huh? She a mix up all kind of same thing. We're going to get people sick. You remember?
But remember them say she make people vomit.
Yes.
Them accused her of making people vomit.
And she wore it like a G.
She hold it.
You wanna call us me papa-in-law cake them doodle cake. You remember? When you alone did a war with them?
With yourself.
You remember? You remember? You get it now, don't you? The real war. You remember?
A war you won?
So Master Baker, Master Baker is a fake baker. And you just eat the fact that the name Baker decide a master. And you start pick on me. Just the fact me not even really a bake.
No.
That me a play bake. And you want war with me. See real baker then take your hand, you know. What? Where you hide for? Where you hide for? Where you run for? You know should I turn up? Where you run for? You know should I turn up, huh?
You're not supposed to stand up strong.
And then tell you over and over. Me hear me papa tell you. Go and perfect your craft. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Me not in no competition with you. Go and go do your things. Perfect your craft. Him even tell you about how to make things level.
Show you.
Show you. Him try to teach you.
Yes. He is hard.
And you're stubborn to the things. Stubborn. Him not in my mind in business. Enough time him not answer you. And you just continue. Have a looky war. See war you know. See where you are you know.
Yes.
See the war you know.
Yes.
Put on your big girl drawers. And turn up in it. And left out the papa-in-law. And left out me auntie.
Yes,
and turn up in that.
Yes.
Put on your army outfit. Yes. Put on your helmet and turn up in it. Where you far? Where you far? The cake. You sit down for years and you compete and you try everything to get the attention of two people in two different countries. That's what me could not understand. That's why me create Master Baker.
But what I don't understand is...
That's not possible.
But what I don't understand is you have a baker in, like she just said, 2 different countries. You have bakers that in your same city, and you're complaining about people who live in 2 different countries.
Separate
So they're not your competition too.
And then you want to go on like say, because you're in a clique, you know, that's why you diss up with auntie and say, Lion! Turn up!
Take lick.
And take lick.
Left, right, and center. Take
Left, right, and center. Yes.
And when they lick you upon your head, stand back up and take some more.
Because these people never trouble you. Me watch them all the time.
All the time.
All the time. And me never see them come out and start now cake war with you. Them focus on what them are do and market them stuff. And me never see them use your cake against theirs to market their cakes.
Right.
Have anybody see that on social media? Send it, come give me. Because me never see it.
I've never seen it either.
And when she called the woman cake cow dung, all of me when me done line up what for your cake them is, she not answer. Yes. When you call the man cake them do cake.
Don't answer.
No answer. Few times it will come out when he just can't take it and rip out.
And then go and then leave it. And then continue and work on
and people will not play no favoritism our weakness and see. We not play no favoritism our weakness and
year after year after year.
Say a lie we tell our we see.
It's every year. Okay, cake season's coming up. You know she's going to start something.
We know.
We know. It's given. It's coming.
Maker did Master Baker. You see how much time in jump out here for Master Baker. Yes.
Yeah.
But liquor come left, right, down, and he just think here. Stop fighting like a bitch.
I'm
fight
gonna
like
give
a soldier.
I'm gonna give up. I'm gonna quit. I'm gonna turn it in.
Stop fight like a bitch.
Take it.
And every woman fight like this. Now, throw some uppercut.
Box.
Turn up and take it. Yes. No one lie me I tell. Drugs in a cake, all them sitting.
All them sitting there.
Social media come here.
Yeah.
Yes. When you're not cuss about cake, you're cuss about woman's house. They're on gully side. You find everything to inject. It's either your majesty or anti-inner. You find a way to inject them.
Something. Some type of way.
And you always inject with her. Yes. See it now. Take it. Stand up.
Yeah.
Stand up in it. Because me love it.
Strong and firm.
Me love every ounce of it. Because you get up and think and nobody else. Nothing big.
You wanted a war? Take it.
And you want a war for all these years.
Yes.
Now you get it. Take it. Because
and don't back down. Don't back down. You have no problem going after Auntie Donna and Your Majesty. You need for take what you're gonna get, what you're getting, and respond instead of ignoring. Yeah,
well,
because
she
you know
respond. She respond.
Yeah, but she wasn't.
But she not no strength in her response. Like she done ask me auntie and tell her about her how she shape and tell her all this and tell her about that and things what she don't know about her. Yeah. She not have the same energy.
No, it's not. It's not.
And for my daddy, yeah.
Right. It's not.
She not have the same energy.
No.
Yeah. Build up the same energy. How when you drink when you're energized for them. Come on, man. Drink up some more Starbucks and get with it. Get with it. Get with it. Get with it. That's what happens when I don't go around and fast with good people. Now everybody knows who the troublemaker is. See that? Plain as a deer. Shall never admit it. Victim, victim, victim. But you are a troublemaker. Big time troublemaker. You don't want nobody else to be it in America. Who will America to you? Huh? Are you one of the founding mama?
Who left you in charge?
Who left you in charge?
That no one can know. Who left you in charge?
Who for cake can come across the border and who for cake cannot.
Because last time I checked, Joe Biden was the president.
You know what I mean?
Not you.
Yeah, you want to say, oh, for cake for reach over here. Them for do this a custom. Oh, them a cake. All one I time you say, our cake can't reach here, can't come here.
At all.
At all.
None at all.
At all. You understand? You is a bad mind woman. Yes. And you're over there playing victim now because you're getting your house whooped.
Take it.
Take
a lick.
Take all the lick them where you walk around and give to people. And left me auntie out of it. Left her out of it. Because when you did a class when you did a class don't come talk but I see him think them do too. No. You used to do it too. This is your judgment on earth. Your name no say. Karma is real. Here is your karma. Suck it up. Suck it down like this. Suck it down. I have no pity for you because you're an evil woman.
Somebody.
You are an evil woman. A walla uno.
Yep. Yep.
Yeah. Cry baby. Yeah, cry baby.
Moonshine, darling.
One thing me pay attention to. You know, Chris, your majesties are all around, all year round.
All year baker, yeah.
One thing me always admire with from my papa-in-law. You understand? I don't even know if he's still up on the live. No chat about Chris, that no matter. Him know that too. One thing me always admire about that man bakery. How clean it is.
Yes. And
all when I decorate, me not pay attention to him decorating. Me just look at how organized and how clean him floor is. Me see one floor get posted the other day. Where that me don't know what she is. Where that the somebody there were bake. And that's disgusting.
But after he's done decorating a cake, you see he cleans it. He wipes down the place. He washes the floor. Clean. Clean.
You understand me? Always appear to me is that type of person. Me go to one restaurant. Me look. Cleanliness is everything to me. You know, everybody me name from. You understand me? When me go for me auntie, nobody can tell me nothing. Me go there. When me go for me auntie house. You can name off my floor. But I ask you that. Me I tell you because me go there. You can name off of the floor. I mean, we don't name off a floor. You understand? But me just tell you how clean it is. Yes. And me see one floor get posted and if a desert things are bake, me don't talk. Me don't talk. A master baker this chocolate exit the room already. Long time. If you don't know. Yes. What else we have here?
All right. We've learned that you can use fake flowers to decorate a cake instead of using fondant. I learned that since being on social media. Yeah.
Because one time I see my daddy decorating cake, them everything panicky and yam. So one time I see people put flowers like what my mother used to have in our house at Jamaica. You know what I mean? The plastic one then. And stuck them in a cake. Me like, some miffin yam that? Eh? Me must name that? Huh? When I mean, most of the plastic flowers, them have dust on them. Them get out dust. You understand? Them get out dust.
They're not cleansy.
Yeah. Me feel every
cleansy.
cake me been around, when my family have any event, and them want make cake, get cake, making a certain, everything panicky on them. So, one time I see plastic flowers are going on cake and then something there, Mr. Lord of Mercy, that's supposed to happen. Wanna tell me? That's supposed to happen. So Master Baker try it. One time she a bake and a desert, people get offended. Cause I them alone for use plastic flowers. I want them. I want them. Yeah. Me try the plastic flowers thing. Well, my customer return me cake them, but me did try it. You understand? They never want you.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that's why you know for follow fashion. Master Baker go follow fashion and he will like it then that
see
return.
what happened? Yeah.
They return them back.
Yeah.
I'm returning. Well, yeah. All right, go on.
Your turn.
My turn?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we also learned that from social media that you keep them now for be straight. Them can be lean. Like so.
Leaning Tower of Pisa.
Cross, yeah. Make sure you hear them cross so you can see. And they will look straight. That's what we learn. Because when time I look for me, pop up a decorating cake, make it look straight.
Yeah.
And see that straight cake.
Straight.
Then the cake there, when I see them, I forgot that. And vanilla.
Wow.
I said, what? Wow. What a cake.
Boy, I have a crink in my neck.
All right. Wow. What a cake. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, wow. What a cake.
Yep.
Yeah.
We've learned from social media that people who live in two totally different countries can be your competition.
Yes.
We learned that.
We learned that.
Yes. It's unbelievable.
Unbelievable. Unreal.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? All them people who own clothing store in other country, make us start a war with them. If a war no want, make it start. Missy Dimes, I sell clothes. Dimes. How dare you? How dare you? How dare you? I keep them feeling cause me lean. Me can't bother with my me can't bother with him, you know. Me can't bother with him. We can't bother with him. No. You ever tell somebody else that when they see you, you're pretty straight? You understand? And when my bounce up, yeah, something that's straight.
And when we fell backwards,
when you fell backward, you feel something straight. Yes, Lord Jesus, help me, mercy.
Why?
He wrote me like, yes. Me can't manage him. Me can't manage him.
No, sir.
All right, well, we've learned that what? That baking should only be for, we have already go off board that. Baking should only be for one person.
Okay, so this one.
Which one? We have learned that you can take, oh, the other one, yeah. Yes. We have learned on social media that you can take cakes off of Google, put it into Photoshop, and then claim it's yours.
Voila!
And you're like, voila!
It's yours!
One.
Wow!
Yay!
Yay for me! Look at my pretty cakes!
We'll find some of them on Google.
Yes, we did.
And we'll do the same transformation in a Photoshop.
Wow, look at that.
Wow, look at that.
Wow, look at that.
What's that?
Wow, look at that.
Look at that. Yes. Ooh. It was yours, now it's mine. Yes. Yes. We
Finders keepers.
We did.
It's ours.
Yeah, I would go on Google.
Yes.
I would fabricate them.
Yep.
I would put them in a Photoshop and set it up same like how.
Yep.
Yeah, the perpetrator have it on our page.
Yeah.
You're busted. You're not ashamed.
But then also, it's not just the, you know, you change maybe a little bit here, like you'll change the color of the frosting. I've seen that too.
Easy for them.
Yeah,
easy for them.
easy.
Yeah, Vanilla is a pro in Photoshop. She can make me look like somebody, take off my head and put somebody else's head on my body. Take off my body and put somebody's body on my head. Vanilla is a genius.
Skin color, you want to change it? I got you.
Yes, she can change. Yeah. She can do whatever in a Photoshop. Remember me tell you. So Vanilla said, look here, let me transform it then.
Watch this chocolate.
Yes, same thing.
Okay. We've learned that on social media, you can take credit for inventing a cake that was created a long, long time ago.
Yes, such
like
as flavor.
Like you're the first one.
Yes, like flavor. Because you know the Bailey's rum cake, it was invented, or it's out there. Yeah, it's in the store.
It is.
Yeah, yeah. It's in the store. So all of the people them were probably not having in them country will believe say it's an invention, but it's here.
Right.
It's in the store.
Yeah. It's been around. It's not new.
Yeah. It's in a one box.
Yeah.
It's in a one box. Yeah.
Yeah.
And none of you are named upon it.
No.
Come did look. I know.
No.
I know she. I know she. She coming for me next. She can come all she want. The amount of time she come.
And
I'm immune to that. She can come all she wants. She better focus on her war and leave me alone. Me talk about when I see on social media, I'm going to wait to come up now the perfect time, since there's actually a war. Me point out there was no war.
Right.
Now there is a war.
Yeah.
And you ask for it, now you get it. Yes. And you leave good people alone. About time now. I hope this teach you a lesson.
Yeah.
But it look like you're never going to learn. What? We've learned that you can use pictures of cakes from years ago and act like it's recent. Yeah, like me tired to see them all cupcake them, where you used last year, the year before, Wants the new ones. Yes. Yeah. True. We learned that on social media you can recycle the same
pictures,
little video clip over and over and over again. We're talking about the cake industry. Yeah. And that's how we reach. Just in case we're not trouble nobody, we're talking about the cake industry and we will learn from the cake industry.
Yep. This is our opinion.
Yes. She coming to Mexico because you're protected by. She can come out she wants. I mean, she's been after us now for what? Over 4 years? Yeah, 3 years. The max.
Crazy, yeah.
So, I mean, if she want to continue the rest of the year and go into next year and then year after, nothing to change the chocolate and vanilla. I mean, come on now. We just talk what we see. You understand? Yeah. And we're bringing it to the forefront now. For sure, no say, there was, becoming no. There was no cake war.
No, no war.
Yes. Yeah. No worry, chocolate. She alone a come for all. For all, not you. Right. When she comes, she not come for me. Come for what? Come for what? She come for me. Come for me. She say me cake them fake when me a bake. I mean, she come for. You know, for people them with a real cake we call her. Hello, them a call you. Answer.
Don't you hear them knocking?
Yes, you understand. Yeah. All right.
All right. We've learned that you can order a cake and poof, it disappears.
You not get it.
You not get it. And you not get no tracking information.
Nothing. You just order and poof, disappear. Your order just
disappear.
Poof, and disappear. No order for you.
No.
None for you.
It just magically
disappeared. Yes. What the next one for them?
All right.
We've learned what? Brunella, I can't read your writing. Your writing suck.
No, my writing doesn't
Yes,
suck.
it does.
You want me to read it then?
Yes.
Okay, we've learned that you can stack up empty boxes to make yourself look like you're busy.
Yes. We learned that you can ship out empty boxes. And literally, that happened because people didn't get their order. We've learned that on social media. Yes. So when I see Master Baker, did I send out our empty cups, them are empty boxes. And I think it was comedy. Things were happening in a real life on social media. Yes. Yes. So be careful. Careful. Yes. We know that Miss Lothian's boxes are always full. We got those with cakes in them.
Yes, we did.
We got our tracking number when we order from Miss Lothian, and we order Your Majesty cake from Miss Lothian. Yes. And we order, yes, man. We
ordered from him directly too.
Yes. And we get tracking. Last year we ordered his cake from Miss Lothian.
Yes.
Yes. And we get tracking numbers. A matter of fact, you get the cake before you even pay. And I'm like, huh?
We're like, wait a minute, what?
What? She's like, yeah.
She's like,
yeah, I want to send it after I get it. I'm like, what? Lady, you all right? She said, yeah. We get the cake first before we even pay. I want to top stalker for pay. Because when I like what
right.
She's like,
we're like, how much do we owe you?
Yes, can we pay now? We want pay. She's
like, I'll get to that in a little bit. She's like, give me a minute.
I get tired of it because I want to pay for the cake. Oh, yes, Miss Lothian cakes are delicious. Yes, we only eat delicious cakes around here, sweethearts. Kings and queens. We eat the best of the best cakes around here. Yes. Yes.
Teaching you my cooking skills. Good
evening. Auntie, make me top talk now. Make me stop the bad. Yeah, stop with bad. You can't take me for here.
We have to behave. We have to behave.
Auntie, I gotta get to it. Go back upstairs, Master Baker. Auntie there. Good night, Auntie. Oh, Jesus, man.
We're in trouble now.
Vanilla can't chip nothing. Auntie there, that dog chip, you know. That heavy man as you know. We were being so good.
We were behaving, Auntie. We promise.
We have to be good. Yeah?
Yep.
We have to be good. Sit up straight. I have good posture. Auntie, that the room. Auntie, that the room. Auntie, you have cake for the bake. Sure. Sure. Auntie, we're going to bake, man. No one want a coffee one. You don't have cake for the bake. What's the one? No. She depended for I'm baking and stop it to say, all right, you stop.
We stop.
Love you.
Love you. Have fun.
Thank you for stopping.
We'll talk to you soon. We love you. Have a blessed night here, Auntie.
Yeah, go look at the cake and now watch it. Go on.
We don't want to cake them for burn.
Right,
Go watch them, man.
Watch the cake.
Go watch them.
Yes, the cake.
Yeah, man.
Cake. Yes, go look on it. I smell it all the way over here.
We smell it.
Go on, go turn it. Yes, go turn doggy. Yes, something. Go do something in my kitchen, man. Just go on.
You sure you don't have to blend up some more?
Oh, yeah, go on, man. She gone. She gone. She gone. She gone. She gone.
Okay. All right.
Yeah. I've learned. Okay.
You want me to read it?
Yes.
Okay. We've learned.
No, she did that. She did that. See what? I just took up my phone. You know. Now put it down.
Pull up American Airlines. Wait a minute.
Put it down. Put on the cake. Put on your phone. Put on your phone when you take your phone. Put it down. Put it down. Go and look at the cake, Auntie. Jesus God. In I comments here where.
Fresher call you, Auntie.
Yes.
Miriam, Fresher call you. And say you for hurry up and come.
And sometimes teaching you my cooking skill. Your Majesty Chris. We can't get one with the poopa no, but you see.
Yes.
Auntie. She did her see on where? Tell me if you.
The right to see.
Oh no, I didn't. Auntie, go on, man.
Wait a minute. She said.
Boy, behave uno, I'm gonna share this live. Oh, she wants to share live. Why you have to share live?
Remember, Auntie, you're not even supposed to call Whitney and play on platform.
Yeah, why you want
no, you can't even remember that.
Auntie, don't share it live.
We're gonna tell you to call Whitney.
So, why you want to share this one? Go look for
why
you
couldn't share the other one? Yeah.
Go look for when I service one I share.
Right.
Ain't there one share it? Ain't there see how where? Auntie did that, did that, did that. Let me see, let me see, let me see. She did that, she did that. She did that. Keisha Brown, Auntie did that. Hi, Keisha. Sandy Key, Auntie in I comment. Win some.
Anita. Candy.
Candy doll. Auntie on the CR. Looking for no CR.
She gone?
She gone. She gone. It look like she gone. It look like she gone.
Okay.
It look like she gone.
Okay.
Like she gone. She gone.
Michelle, peep her on the corner and see if you see her.
Yeah, she look like she gone. You look like she gone, man.
Okay.
Come,
Okay. All right.
Hurry up.
Okay. We've learned from the cake industry that you can curse someone and advertise your business in the same
Oh no, that one is coming.
Auntie!
Jesus Christ. No, see it.
Me take it.
I share it already. Jesus
Cheese on
Christ.
croix.
Oh.
Auntie!
Share it. Oh my God. No.
Oh no, say she gone. See, she just make one comment.
Comment there. She did, honey, man. Somebody call her, no, man. Call her. Miss Luatian, call auntie. Chris,
call auntie.
Call over there now. Chris, call her.
Distract her for we,
Yeah,
please.
Chris, call over there. No, not uno call.
Somebody can't call her and distract her for we.
Himself, he behave himself. And we tell her, so we're going to behave himself. And she show up out every night. And we don't usually come on per Monday. Why she not over YouTube?
And why of all nights?
She not do not. Yeah, she not do not. Sitting there with him. Come make with labrish.
Right. Don't you have
don't
come make with labrish.
You know
what about?
Yeah, somebody want love connection or something. Somebody have a problem.
Somebody outside I call you.
No, somebody have a problem.
Yes, man. Them on the phone. Yes.
They
need you for counsel, them on.
Yes, then have a situation. Go looking at your phone. Me send it to you. She have a situation. All right, come.
All right. Okay, so I got that.
Yeah, right there. Listen, gone now, man. Gone. Oh, which one to read?
Me read this one. Do I need to read it again?
I've learned that the cake industry.
You can curse someone and advertise your business in the same breath.
Pick up by yourself and cuss one heap of bad word and go up under somebody. Yeah, and go up under somebody. And then at the end you're on www. You know, cake.com. Huh? That's not good business.
Right. That's not good business ethics.
Not good business ethics.
No.
We learned that on social media.
Yeah.
Let me see something.
No,
she gone.
Okay.
She gone. Auntie just come ruin Master Baker vibes.
Oh, she doesn't even know what the topic is, she said.
Oh, Auntie?
Yeah.
What she said? She
said, there? I shared it already. I don't know what the topic is. No, when somebody commented.
Oh, somebody commented about me. I thought about she.
Oh, no.
Okay. All right, come. Which one?
All right, the last one.
I've learned that cake can require only sugar and butter. Huh? Yes, me learned that recently, that cakes only require sugar and butter. Huh? So all this time we have them nice flavor cake.
We didn't know.
We didn't know. A long time we could have baked.
We could have said what's up.
Because we always say we can't make no damn cereal cake.
Right.
We're not a cereal.
Right.
But cereal cake can make with just sugar and butter.
I guess so.
And that we learn.
Yep.
Yes. Somebody else said big up majesty. Me see for me put all kind of something in a cake. And it come out delicious. Because cake's supposed to have flavor, not just sugar and butter.
No.
You understand? So, me learn that on social media, but me not try it. Yeah, me know better than that. Me not try it. I watch out for them, you know. Watch out. But at the end of the day, guys, at the end of the day, what I've learned, most importantly, I've learned to be my authentic self and to focus on the people that truly love and support us and that we truly love and support. Have fun. I've learned to have fun and don't take social media to heart. You understand? And let it affect my life outside of social media. That's what I've learned. You know, and I've also learned from some people on social media. I've learned that, especially from Shidapanya, Shidan, from Auntie. I've learned that you don't have to respond to everything. I've learned that if you truly believe in a God, you take it to him in prayers. No mean you're always be perfect. There are times, when you're human, and you might want to come out and throw a couple stone, but don't let it be a habitual thing. Leave it to God, because on a seat first hand that, he'll take care. He can do it better than we can.
Prayer
yes. Yes, but I've learned from a lot of people on social media in just different things, learn from Majesty, to go after. Well, we're like that, in real life, but just he exude all the strength and continue going even when they, defame him and attack him and talk all these nasty things about him. He continues to have that wonderful personality that just sucks you in. Yeah, it does. And have that, and live his life. Right. And we love that. Yeah.
And he doesn't let those things stop him.
And continue doing business. And, and he's not afraid to show you his skills and teach you things. Yeah.
Right.
Same with Auntie, she a cook and show you. Miss Lothian. I love that humbleness about her. Yeah. And I love her story. I love to see beautiful ending, to the story. So I've learned all of that. I've learned, I could go on and on all night about different people on social media. That's why I'm not like to start calling names, because people are going to feel like we left them out.
Right, and we're not leaving anybody out on purpose.
We're not leaving nobody out on purpose. These are just the two first people that we invested a lot of our time into when we came on social media, in watching them. Auntie first, then Your Majesty. Yeah. So that's why we have this special connection. It's not like we hate everybody else. No, we don't. Or we're not for everybody else. No. Because those are the two first people. Yes. Auntie first, and then Your Majesty. And because we've met them in real life too, and we kind of know their personality. Right. So we feel safe in talking about them. Yep. That's what it is. And we love them. We do. We're not gonna deny that. I'll say that all the time, in front of anybody, in front of them, behind them.
And we support them, and we will continue.
Love them, and I just felt so good to know that this year, the fire is not so much on them, because every year it just pains me to, and that's why I came in as Master Baker, to distract them from the negative things that were being said about them, and to find somebody that they can come watch and laugh. Where try and mess with them. Right. Instead of focusing on the negativity. Yes. So, we wanted to keep them focused. I was the one on the wall, and I have Master Baker distract them, because I would go over there and put up my eyes. Remember? Yeah. And we would call Auntie about I'm listening. I'm listening. I will want your recipe. Yep. And she gave us recipes with what? Paint? With paint, paint all that colors, stuff there. Yes. Because we want to distract them from the hate that been geared towards them for all these years.
And same thing with Your Majesty. We put eyes. Same thing with
Your Majesty. Yes. Using Bringy, creating Bringy. We change it from Bringo to Bringy, and pretend there's actually a person named Bringy. Yes.
The Master Baker is madly in love with
it. Yes. So that's it. There's so much more things, and we could go on and on. But those are some of the things that are at the forefront of our mind of things that we've learned on social media. And of course, we have to keep it fun and entertaining, because we love to make people laugh. Of course. And we're gonna give you some credits. We want to hear what you've learned on social media. So we're gonna open up the phone line, and for the first 5 people who are willing to call in and tell us what they've learned off of social media and what they've observed. And please, not unless you're calling my beautiful auntie's name or your majesty, those people I feel safe with, Stacey Campbell, you know, we don't want mention of anybody else's name. And of course, you have to say good things about them. Right. Or don't call. Straight up, don't call. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, we got a call.
We got a call.
Oh, hold on. Hold on. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Night Queens, I just want to say what I have learned from social media is that if you continue listen to naysayers and negative,
yes,
it will cause you to lose your focus, and then it creates a spirit within you that is totally negative, and it just eats away at your person and let you becomes miserable.
That is true. That's true.
And then, and for two queens like you, I learned that with people like you can create this environment when you're toxic to focus or seems to stray towards those. God sent you two queens as persons to come to change the atmosphere totally, where you create joy to us. That's what I have learned.
Thank you so much. Who are we speaking to?
You're speaking to Merlene.
To who?
Merlene.
Oh, thank you so much, Merlene. If you could text us your telephone number or whomever number you would like us to send some credits to, we'll be more than happy to do so. And thank you so much for calling us.
Thank you so much.
You're most welcome.
Have a wonderful night.
Have a blessed night.
All right. Can you turn on the ringer because it is being annoying?
Hold on.
Okay, 1 second. The phone is blowing up. I didn't know there were so many people who learned so much from social media. But thank you so much, Merlene. Thank you. You have to, you can't be consumed by social media. We won't let social media change us. You know, we come on whenever we feel like we can. And we try not to, when we have things that are important going on in our life, we're totally off of social media. We try not to follow up on certain things. We follow up enough to know where, you know, some people are going with, because you're on social media. You want to be in the know, you know, but you don't have to address it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you don't. Yeah. You want to be entertained too. You laugh. We want to be entertained too. So we go to certain platforms that we know we're going to crack up listening to. Because they're funny. You have funny people out there.
Very much.
Yeah. Hello, good night.
Hold on. Bear with me one moment.
All right.
Hello, good night.
Good night, Queen.
Good night.
What I have learned from social media, most of all I have learned from Auntie Donna, you have to stay prayed up in everything that you do.
Yes.
You have to put God first.
Absolutely.
And you have to keep the you have to keep the faith and keep strong, no matter how they come and tear you down.
Queen.
To put God first.
Queen, can you do me a favor? Can you just stop talking? I want you to repeat them. No, for real. I just want you to repeat them in the background.
Oh, I'm outside hanging out clothes.
Yeah, I want to hear them. 1 second.
Okay.
Oh, all right, go ahead.
Yes, as I was saying, in everything that you do, you have to put God first. You have to stay prayed.
Miss Flawless Rain, big up yourself, Queen.
Yes.
Yes, you definitely.
You do. You have to put God first.
Yes. Hello?
Yes, we're
here.
listening. All right, is that it?
Yes, Auntie. Yes.
All right.
All right.
Well, thank you so much for calling. Send us your name and your telephone.
Who is this?
Telephone service.
Tashi.
Tashi.
Okay. All right.
Tashi.
All right,
All right,
Tashi.
thank you,
Thank
Tashi.
you. All right. Oh, no, you're repeating them? Oh, me like you repeating them. And me like you when caca crow. Me like you when caca crow. Anytime I talk to somebody at Jamaica, and I'm calling a country, and they caca crow, me tell them to shut up. I want to hear a caca crow. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night. I don't know why.
How are you tonight?
We're good.
Okay. Well, what I've learned from social media is that no matter what the naysayers say, you have to just keep on pushing and just know that our God that we serve is bigger than every man on this earth. So you just leave everything to God and just leave everything into prayer. And for you, Queens, Chocolate and Vanilla, words can't express how you make me feel when you come online at night, especially on Sundays, with praise and worship.
Thank you.
Thank you for everything that you have been doing and continue to do it. Much love and respect goes out to you both.
Thank you.
All right, thank you so much,
And who are we
Queen.
speaking
Who
to?
am I speaking to? Alrika. All right, thank you, Alrika. Have a wonderful night, all right? And text us your name and your telephone service, all right? And God bless you.
No.
All right, have a blessed night.
Oh, there's more.
There's somebody there.
Oh, okay.
Hold on. Bear with me one moment.
Yeah, the phone's blowing up, so hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Good night, Queens.
Good night.
How are you doing?
We're doing well.
Good.
How are you?
Okay, I am doing well.
Okay.
I've learned, as a matter of fact, you two ladies are such a breath of fresh air.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you so much.
And I just have to continue following you and Auntie. Oh my God. You three, man, you three. I just give you all the love and everything. And I have learned that on social media is a very toxic place.
Yes.
And if you are not strong, have strong faith, and have God in the midst, there are so many things that happen to you at any time because people just hate you for no reason at all.
Yeah.
You just show pure love and people hate you. They cannot stand the love.
True.
They
don't love to see good relationships either. When they see something good developing, they'll try everything to break it up and to mess and to tear it up and to mess it up.
You don't have to do nothing wrong on social media for people to hate you for no reason at all. I've never seen anything like that. No wonder they say social media is the devil's playground.
Yeah. Indeed it is. Indeed it is.
But you ladies have made such a difference on social media. It's not funny.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. We appreciate it.
And I just love you ladies.
Thank you. We love you too.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Who are we speaking to?
Patricia.
All right, Patricia. Text us your name and your telephone service. All right, and thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Queen. Have a blessed night.
God bless you.
All right.
God bless you.
Have a great night.
Bye-bye.
All right, how many more? We have one more? Okay. One more, and maybe there's a bonus. Let's see. All right, let's go. And by the way, I'm in love with this lady's voice on social media. Her name is Teacher K. I love her voice.
Hello,
Big
good
up
night.
Queen. I love her voice.
Hello, guys.
Hello, good night.
We're good. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Well, my little part is that, boy, we have to just stay focused and don't watch what is happening around us. Because if we follow, it's going to drain we out. It's going to drain we out. And I love to see what you guys are doing. Sometimes I have to watch the dead. I can't get to watch the live because they have so many, other one to watch. So by the time, but I just love your little thing that you guys doing. Keep up the good work and just stay focused.
Thank you so much, Queen. Who are we speaking to?
Lady Tanya.
Lady Tanya. Thank you, Lady Tanya. Text us your name and your telephone service, all right?
All right.
Thank you, Queen. Have a blessed night.
Crystal. Hussein, good night, Queen.
All right.
How you doing?
All right.
That's it. The comments stop. I can't see further than that. All right. Good night to everyone who just joined us. Good night. The comments stuck. Stuck at Crystal. All right. Okay, if we come in and go back in, let's see if we'll move. All right. Yes, we see Vessel. Claudette. Yes. All right, one more call, and that's going to be it for us. Hello, good night.
Hold on. Hello, good night.
Good night.
Daddy.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. The person's talking to someone else in the background, so we got to move on. Hello, good night. We gotta hang up on that call. They're talking to someone else in the background. So the phone lines, the phone line is open now. All right. All right. So nobody else want to call and say what they've learned on social media?
Nobody wants a bonus credit?
Right. The phone was blowing up like earlier like crazy.
Right.
All right. Well, that's fine. It was a pleasure being out here with you guys. I hope you guys enjoy tonight's
Thank you for joining us.
Thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed the live. And we will be back Thursday night.
Yep.
Yes. Oh, there's another call. We'll take this one call. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Good night.
Go ahead. Hello, good night. Go right ahead.
Okay. What have motivated is like putting the negative and the positive together.
Mm-hmm.
And without the negative, you can never be positive, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Hello?
Yes, we're listening. We're listening.
Yes. And sometimes people might try to distract you on Facebook, try to disrespect you on Facebook. But sometimes you have to walk away. Ignore like you have never seen what they have said sometimes.
Yes.
Sometimes they push you, because sometimes at times they will push you.
Yes.
But you will have to stay firm, stay strong.
Yes.
And don't get what they said to disturb you, because most of the time that's what they try to do. You understand?
Yes,
and for
absolutely.
chocolate and vanilla, I'm telling you, sometimes you put a smile on my face.
Oh.
Sometimes I am down, and especially with that God spell, sometimes you have me dancing in my house.
Oh.
You understand? And you put a positive. So sometimes that I used to take on the negative, but sometimes starting to watch you, I get a positive vibes that I don't look back at the negative.
Thank you so much. That means a lot to us. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Queen.
Who are we speaking to?
Perseverance.
Perseverance. Thank you. I'm always Perseverance. I remember that name.
Yep.
All right, Queen.
And chocolate and vanilla, I need to speak to you guys, please.
Okay. Do you want to call us when we get off live? All right.
Yes.
You call back the same number when we get off live. All right.
Yes, please. All right. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Queen. Thank you. All right. Bye-bye.
Oh, Master Baker, remember to save me, make some cake. Yes, it's things like these, guys, at the end of the day. It's things like these, what we've heard from our followers, that keeps us coming back and motivate us in continuing to do what we do.
Mm-hmm.
Just the smile that we might put on someone's face.
Right.
So.
And to overlook all the negativity.
And to overlook all the negative. How can I let negativity
outpower that?
Outpower something like that.
Right.
Never.
Sorry.
And I have strong faith.
Mm-hmm.
Very, very strong faith.
Yes.
Yes. So, You guys have a wonderful night. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for joining us.
All the platform holders that passed through, Flawless Rain, Bam Bam, Stacy Campbell, who else? Jake, J.K. Walker, big up yourself, Miss Lothian, Auntie, Your Majesty.
Yes.
Thank you guys for stopping in to see us, to see about us. Crystal Hussein, big up yourself. Big up yourself. You know I'm going to get a cake from, are you carrying Auntie's cake this year over in Trinidad and Tobago? Let us know for Christmas, because we're going to be jump starting, get into our Christmas giveaway.
Yep.
Remember, our list consists of, in no particular order, we got Rose Kitchen.
We got Nana and Jerk.
Yes, Miss Lothian's Kitchen.
We have Opal's Kitchen.
We have Dimes.
We have Your Majesty.
We have the wonderful, beautiful Planka Boss. Who else were we missing?
Who are we missing?
Oh, we're not missing anybody.
JCM Kitchen, something like that. Yeah.
Yep. Sorry if we messed up your name.
Sorry.
We have Jamrock
Goodies.
Jamrock Goodies.
Yes.
This year. So these are our little shopping mall. Yes. For you guys' gifts this Christmas. And of course, you got the chocolate and vanilla factory over here. God bless you guys. I love you. And there's absolutely nothing.
We said Rose Kitchen?
Rose Kitchen was the first one I said.
Okay.
Yes. Love you guys. JCM.
Thank you
so
much. Thank you for the correction.
Yes. Thank you, Nationa. Thank you so much. Janet Crooks. Yes. No weapon that forms against us shall never, ever prosper.
Amen.
Yes. All right, because, yes, I know my God, yes, I know, I speak of his goodness all the time, and I will forever speak of his goodness.
Absolutely.
Yes, ain't no power, no evil power will have dominion over us on social media. I love you guys as always, and there's absolutely nothing you can do about it. And when I say I love you with the love of Jesus, because when you know God, you have to know love. All right? Good night.
Love you guys. Have a blessed night.
Marlene Levy, big up yourself. All right. Good night.
All right. Good night. Bye-bye.